are out here at Highway 35. Caltrans seemed to be experiencing a sinkhole. They weren't sure exactly why the sinkhole was happening. We came out here, we did a deep cone penetration test. We figured out that we had some voids at 5 feet and 10 feet, and our test was able to confirm that. We came up with the plan of pushing push tubes in the ground, DI tubes, so we could solidify the soil at the depths the voids are at. The way our deep injection process works is that we push a tube down in the ground to our depth, which is right here, we're doing 5 and 10. Once we have that tube in the ground, we then put an injector on the tube right on top, and we start injecting our polyurethane. The way the polyurethane works is it kind of travels, filling in any void, and at the same time compacting the soil around it. And it gives us an actual lift up above. So that way we know that we filled the void good enough that it's already pushing the soil up and it doesn't have anywhere else to travel. The only challenges that we came across here on this project and that we talked about on our safety meeting this morning was basically the traffic. Even though we do have cones, keeping us safe, we always have to keep in mind that there's traffic driving a couple feet next to us.
With that, traffic control was provided to ensure proper traffic flow, and speeds were maintained while we performed the work, keeping everyone safe on this project. Thanks to our deep injection process, this highway is safer, more durable, and built to last, giving the community confidence for years to come.